I'm revving the car.
And you're pointing the camera
Yeah. What do you think?
It sounds dumb.
To it now. I just took off more pipes. But it's not that much louder.
It's obnoxious.
I got a check engine light now, though.
Why?
Because the things that I took off, I have to install a tune. And it's $2,000 bucks.
Get the camera on my face.
What's wrong with it in your face? What's wrong?
Michael.
What's wrong with the camera? What's wrong for real? You think?
Say
How
bye.
did it sound? Those too loud, huh?
I said say bye.
Bye for what?
To the camera.
Nigga. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Once again, shout out to my guy Jerry for we got a update. So we threw in Davies. Crazy. Look at that. All that. Look at that. Woo! Yo, my guy Jerry. Don't miss. So it's come to my attention that exhaust setup, which is the AWE SWITCHPATH exhaust paired with the MAD downpipes, kind of sound like a injured cow, if I'm making any sense. I don't know, you see what I mean? It's not always like that. When it's under load and you're in boost, it sounds pretty good. Not exactly sure it's because the turbo's a spooler and it has just that force to push out the exhaust, but it sounds really good, especially from inside the car, windows down. Windows up is still kind of quiet, I'll be real with you. I don't know what you need to make this thing loud with the windows up, but if I don't want to be obnoxious to the people outside, I had the valves of the SWITCHPATH. And I mean, if I want to be obnoxious to the people outside, but not hear it, which I don't even understand why someone would want to do that, but I could just roll up the windows. Like, it's quiet with the catalyst downpipes and the AWE exhaust, like inside the car. Like, it's not bad. It's not a drone, same thing, not in the car at all. You don't hear any at any RPM. It does not sound loud at all. I rode in Jerry's car to be 58. He got catalyst downpipe and a dyno exhaust. There's a lot of drone. I think that's somewhat of AWE's like patented drone technology or something like that. Correct me if I'm wrong. Now, what I will say is it's not as loud. If you're looking for really, really loud, this is probably not the setup to go for you inside the car. I'm not exactly sure what is. Outside the car, it is freaking loud as hell. And that's kind of just how I like it. I recommend it to anybody. You can actually get the AWE exhaust and have no check engine light when you run the catalyst downpipes from MAD. That's where that kicks in. So just keep in mind, you know, the situation. That was enough talking. I'm heading over here to Williamsburg because there's some type of bodega truck, like famous chopped cheese. I'm gonna see what they hitting for because I'm a little bit hungry. I didn't eat all day. And yeah, I figured I'd get some shots of the car or whatever, do some pulls, and show you guys how it sounds. Boy, I cannot wait until I get my 335 back. Because this thing right here, don't get me wrong, it's not a bad car to drive or own. It's just in areas like these, like, bro, it's insane. Like, why would somebody, I don't know, this is crazy. You know, it's funny, to be honest, I don't even freaking daily my 335. Yo, like, screw that. Like, just car driving in general over here is stupid. This is crazy. Get parking tickets. Like, yo, it sucks, man. Look at this. Like, you can't even go straight. I actually picked up a pedal bike, which I don't even want to leave that sitting around anywhere. So it's like, yo, I really have nothing that's good for the city. This car, I don't even want to drive it through here. You know, I just do it for the video so you guys can see POVs and stuff like that. And I don't know, just drive around, get some food or something, hanging out, chilling. Guess I'm on foot. I'm on footsies. The struggle. My guy Jerry, bro. Yo, I don't even think I ever shouted out your channel on the channel. I kind of did. I think I do on every single one of them.
I think you do.
Yeah.
Well, if you don't know, it's just Jerry. The E is a 3.
The 3 is an E. No,
yeah,
the E is a 3. Okay, you got it right. You
so
got it
just
right.
Jerry, the E is the 3. Because somebody else got it. If you know that person, tell them I want it because it's my name.
That's my guy Jerry M340. Catalyst downpipe, Dynan exhaust. I already know the valve's gonna be open for this video. Valve's open. He has JB4. Go check out his channel if you guys want to know more stuff about it. But right now we're gonna strap this camera on and get the exhaust for Jerry's video. And if you guys want to hear the exhaust clips too, go on his channel to hear them. Mine, I'm gonna just do mine. You know, obviously it makes sense. We're gonna do that a little later. First, we're gonna get Jerry out here, see what he got. So I'm gonna hook it up for you, bro. So there it goes, guys. Let me know, comment down below what you think about my exhaust setup. And yeah, I did my best to try to give you some of the footage. Once again, if you guys want to check out Jerry's setup, go ahead and check his channel out. Just Jerry, I'll put the information down below. Promise this time I will. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Like this video, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. Microsoft Speed, peace out.